Beulah everyone Musk's Starlink has arrived. Let's test it out. Musk landed in Fiji just a few days ago and expanded Starlink services to Fiji. Open the box. See, there's still some dust on it. Starlink's receivers and shown. Starlink's data line. There are also special stickers. Huh, kittens are very cute. This is the SpaceX Starlink router. Higher cord. This power cord is for the router. Just plug it in. There's an instruction manual. Put aside. That's it, and now let's assemble it. Okay, uncle. Now can you just set it up? Yeah, thank you. Alright. Installation is still pretty simple, just plug it in. Now let's put it on the roof. The price of the Starlink in Fiji. We spent a total of 859 Fijian dollars. That includes the body of Starlink and shipping costs. The monthly internet service fee is 114 Fijian dollars. Compared to other areas, it is still cheaper. Let's just install it and test the internet speed. As you can see, we are now on the roof. And then put it in this position. You can scan the sky. Then you can install it. I have now figured out the link to this Starlink. Let's see if we can do it now. Alright, we're connected now. Our router's down there. So the signal across the iron sheet is not very good. Just put it right here. It didn't work when we plugged it in. Then he unplugged the cable and plugged it in. It has now been successfully activated. You can see where it is now with the Starlink receiver. That's the location of the Starlink satellite after successfully connecting to the network. It is also adjusting the place where the satellite is connected to. And this software from Starlink is still showing that it's updating the system. Now the Starlink is installed. Then we bought another adapter. It's an adapter I bought from Starlink. Show this network interface. We can switch to our usual home network interface. It will also be more convenient to connect to a computer or router. Let's test it out first. Now I am using the speed of Fiji's usual network right now. This is what we're doing right now with this speed tracker on Starlink. Okay, so the download speed is 56 Mbps. Upload speed is 16.36 megabits per second. Let's test Starlink's internet speed again. I'll put it on. Wow. You can see that's a lot faster. The download speed was measured at 191 megabits. Upload speed is 16.3 megabits per second, 42 milliseconds for the delay. And then there's an advanced speed measurement that we're going to test again. The download speed is 238 Mbps, and the upload speed is 40 megabits per second. Starlink chains are now being used in many parts of Fiji, but it needs to be firm when you install it. Some Fijian friends have broken the Starlink.